Some snakes, like rattlesnakes, are known to give clear warnings before biting. They often rattle their tails vigorously, creating a distinct sound that is intended to alert potential threats to their presence. This behavior serves as a visual and auditory cue, signaling that the snake feels threatened or cornered, and may be preparing to strike. However, not all snakes exhibit this behavior. Some species, such as cobras, may opt for different warning signs like hooting or hissing. These actions are also intended to intimidate or deter predators and potential threats. It's important to remember that even without a warning, a snake might bite if it feels threatened or cornered. Therefore, it's always best to avoid approaching or handling snakes. If you encounter a snake, give it space, and let it move away on its own. By respecting their natural habitat and behavior, you can help ensure the safety of both yourself and the snake.